Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we'll show you how to manage manufacturing orders in C2W Inventory. From creating finished products and components, adding your bill of materials, creating a manufacturing order, and completing it, we're going to guide you through every step. Let's dive right in. First, add your finished products and components. Go to Inventory, then click New Item to create entries for both. This step keeps track of what you have and what you need. For detailed guidance, you can watch our quick start guide on adding items. Next, set up your bill of materials, or BOM. At this stage, you're setting up relationships between products and components, without changing any inventory numbers. To do this, go to the Inventory module, open the Manage Item screen, select your finished product, and click the BOM tab. Then, select and add all the component products used to manufacture this product. Identify the quantity of each component required for manufacturing and save it to record this. Now, create a manufacturing order. At this phase, the quantity of the finished product remains unchanged in inventory. Simply go to the Inventory module, select Manufacturing Order, choose your finished product, add the quantity you want to manufacture and choose the location where you want this finished product to be stored. You can modify the location for each component as well. Save it. If you need to add or delete a component, you can do it on this screen as well. Next step is to complete this manufacturing order. Typically, once the product is fully assembled, you would then complete the manufacturing order to update the inventory and reflect the increased quantity of the finished product. Go to the Inventory module, Manage Manufacturing Order screen, select the manufacturing order number and click the Complete button. If at the time of creating the manufacturing order, the product is already assembled, you have the option to streamline the process. You can click Save plus Complete during the creation of the manufacturing order. This action combines steps, immediately updating the inventory to reflect the finished product's increased quantity without requiring a separate completion step. To simplify your process even further, enable autocomplete. Go to Settings, then Company Profile, and select Settings. Check the Autocomplete MO box. This makes the Save button automatically complete your manufacturing order in one step, which is great for fast-paced environments. When does the finished product inventory update? When the finished product is sold, you can then create a sales order. At this stage, the system reserves the quantity for the order. Once the product is ready to ship, perform SO picking, which then deducts the finished product from inventory. Check out our detailed video on how to create a sales order and manage SO picking. And that's it. With these steps, managing manufacturing orders in the C2W Inventory System is simple and efficient. For more detailed guides, check out our other videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.